Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ann and welcome to my channel. And if you are not, welcome back and thank you for coming back. So what we do here is a lot of different like makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, or anything really related to makeup. And today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and this one is for the Allure Beauty Box. So Allure is just a monthly subscription. It does cost, I want to say like $14.99 or something. I think it's like more around like $15. But you always get like 2 to 3 full-size products in here, and it's always worth the buck. So it is one of my favorite subscriptions because, I don't know, with this one, it seems like it always comes through. And here's a little pamphlet. It does tell us about our items and how much they cost and stuff like that. And the pamphlet lays on top, and then it just looks like this. Okay. So our first thing is Acne Cover Patch. We're getting 8 clear patches made with Sika, tea tree, and some kind of oil. Blend seamlessly, drug-free, hydroponic technology. It covers blemish invisibly. Okay. I'm not going to open these. They do come in different sizes. We're getting, in this one, we are getting 2 of the 10 millimeters. We're getting 4 of the 12 milliliters. Millimeters, not milliliters. Millimeters. Okay. Then we are getting 2 of the 14 millimeters. Okay. And it does have an expiration date, which is for February 27th of 23. So that's a while away. I probably won't use these. I do like get like a blemish right here and one somewhere covered up. But I think I'll give this to my son because it seems like he's at that age. If he drinks pop or eat chocolate, he is going to have a breakout. So I'm just going to pass that on to him and see how it does. I did get them once before, and I'd put them up, and I was going to give them to him and never could find them because I like lose everything. If my head was not attached to my shoulders, I wouldn't find it. Okay, so then we also got, it is a Butter and Lip Cheek Balm by Beauty Beauty. It's got like little peaches on it. So cute. How to use. Apply to cheeks, lips, or eyelids, or diffuse using the warmth of your fingers for natural radiant color. Sweep on for a subtle sheen, or build up for a more intense effect. Now, I don't know. It just goes with personal preference. I've got some stuff like this. I've got some sticks and stuff like that. I think I got a container somewhere, different brand. But normally what I do, if I'm using it on my cheeks, I always keep it on my cheeks. I don't like really mix with my lips and cheeks because I always like, because you got foundation and stuff on, I don't know, I just don't mix it. But I think it's up to the individual. Oops. In here, it is pretty. That would be great for the lips or the cheeks. And like they said, you could build it up or you could rub it in and get it like just a little light shade. Okay, so I do like that. Let me put it back up. Okay, so I do like that. And that would be a great color for the cheeks. I love that. It would look good on the eyes. It would look good on the cheeks, lips, anything. Okay, so I do like that. Okay, then we got a piece of paper from Peach and Lily. OC Ocean Cleanser is a mineralized plus balance. We're getting 6 flow ounces, which is 18 milliliters. And this is for normal, dry, and combo skin. Massage onto damp skin and rinse with warm water. Removes makeup. Use morning and night. And it is green. there it is. It's like, got a little too much out. It's like, it don't take much. That would like do your whole face. It smells like something like a citrus and something else I've smelled. I don't know what that is. It's like that lotion, that Dead Skin Sea lotion by Havea. It smells like that. Okay. And it is non-toxic. It's vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, California-made. Okay. So it's organic ingredients. So that is good. I do like that. Here lately, like to remove my makeup, I have been using the Cali Skin cleanser that I got in my BoxyCharm like last month, the month before. But I find that stuff, and I knew I did watch a bad review and stuff like that of it. And that's why I'm going to tell you something. I don't always go by reviews. I like to go by my own preference, but I do like to go like if I trust the person. But I think the Cali Skin stuff, it removes my makeup like one cleanser and my makeup's gone, and it gets rid of the whole eye area. And that's like really what I'm having trouble with. But I mean, it cleans my skin like with no problem and removes all this makeup like the greatest. I do have makeup wipes and stuff, and I like them, but lately it's just like the last couple of weeks I've just been using that, and I've been loving it. It will like burn your eyes a little bit, but it's like worth it to get it all off your face at one time. Okay, so now we got by Cicapair. It's by Dr. Jart Plus Tiger Grass Combing Gel Cream. Dermatologist tested. I want to say I got something like, there it is. It's absorbing fast in my skin. I like the way it feels. It smells really good. It's like no greasy after it's like all just already absorbed. It's like gone. I like that. That's how I like my skincare. To absorb fast into my skin and not leave like an oily, greasy residue. Okay, so by Peach and Lily, we have the Glass Skin Refined Serum, Luminous, Translucent, Peach Extract Plus Peptide Complex, 40 milliliters, which is 1.35 flow ounces. I think I've heard good stuff about this. Here is the bottle. It's like, there it is. It really don't have no smell to it. But it feels like really, really good. So it feels good. I don't know. I'm not going to say it's good stuff because I don't know. I'd have to use it for a while to find out. But I do like it. I wish I had glass looking skin. I don't. I've got pores. I've got everything. But I will try that and see how it works. Okay. So last thing is Charcoal Pore Care is by Lapcos, and it's just a charcoal / pore care to help get rid of your pores. It has directions. It looks like English and Chinese. So I like a good face mask. Especially if they work. So I really did like let me see, we got a few big, let me see, we got this full size. I don't know if this is full size. It might be, it might not be. This is full size. This is probably full size, but I'm not for sure. Sheet mask is most likely full size, or maybe not. It could be like you get 6 or 4 or 5 in the box. Okay, so this is full size, and she is retailed for, it's the Peach and Lily Glass Skin. If my camera will focus. I don't know. $39, so you're already like made your money back and then some. Okay, so the OC Ocean Cleanser is $48. And this is not full size. The full size is actually 5.8 ounces, which is 150 milliliters. So that's like way off. We only got like 0.6 flow ounces, so you get a big bottle. Okay, and if you got the full size, it'd been like $48. Okay, so this is full size Beauty Unique Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm, and these are retailed for $16. And I already know this is not full size. The Dr. Jart, it is retail for $48. 50 milliliters, which is 1.69 flow ounces, is how much you get in the full size one. And I'm not seeing a size on this one. Okay, so the sheet mask is $3, and that is a full size. You'd pay $3 a piece. And if you did not get the Dr. Jart Tiger Grass, you could have got the Dr. Jart Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen. And that is it. It didn't tell, and on the back it just says about the little patches. Just receive 20% off of your skincare purchase plus free shipping if you order by July the 1st through the September the 30th, and you get 40 clear patches in each thing, so not bad. I thought it was a really good box. I love this stuff. I'm going to love this. I already know the Peach and Lily. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. It's like... Okay. So, I thought it was a really good box. I really do like it. And I think it was worth the money. So, I'm going to rate this box like you get 6 items. So, I ain't going to say like 5.5 out of 6. Just because I didn't get a lot of full-size products. I mean, you got pretty good-sized products. Normally, you do get like 2 or 3 full-size. This one, you did get 2. This and this is full-size. But I did like the box. I know I'll use everything in there. And I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I will leave the link down below if you would like to try it for yourself. It is such a good box. They always send out some really, really great stuff. And they do their research is what I really like about them. They do the research. They try the products and everything like before they send them out to us. So I do like that. And I guess that is it. Hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And I guess I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.